Hello, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how you can stake your CRDD tokens, your CryptoSI DAO tokens, in preparation for voting on proposals within the CryptoSI DAO. Now, the first thing you need to do is get over to your MetaMask and make sure that you have some CRDD tokens. If you do not know how to get the CRDD tokens, I will put a link in the description to a previous video in which I showed you where to buy them. The answer is on Uniswap. It's very simple. Then you go to the Aragon app. There is no search function. So what I will do is, again, in the description below, you will see a link, which will be this link here, that will take you directly to the CryptoSI DAO dashboard. Once in the dashboard, the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. Click on Connect Wallet now. I'm using MetaMask, of course. Then click Next, then click Confirm. You'll know you're connected when you can see your address up in this top right corner. The DAO currently has $3,000 in it, but that's not that important. What we want to do is become a member. We can become a member by wrapping or unwrapping tokens. So let's click on the wrap tokens. So for the purpose of this, let's wrap all of our CRDD tokens. Let's approve the tokens first. Then we click Next. Let's see how much it will cost. Nice and cheap. This is on the Arbitrum network. You then click to wrap your tokens. Again, this is nice and cheap, and it will show you how many of the new wrapped tokens you will be receiving. You click Confirm, and that is done. You can then click Add Token Symbol, which will allow you to add them to your wallet so that you can see them in your wallet. And it really is that simple. So, thank you so much for watching, and best of luck voting. Ciao.